Snake number 2. This snake is a little bit bigger than Miss Piggy. Very, very, very nice snake. She's absolutely nice. One of the best snakes you have as a pet.
But is this the biggest snake we have?
Oh no, it's definitely not the biggest snake we have.
So we have much, much bigger.
I got to start with my earrings. Yes, I got to start. Very soon. This is called a ball python or a royal python. One of their defense techniques is they curl it into a ball. A lot. That's why it's called ball python. This one is a girl, not a boy. Girl snakes are always bigger than boy snakes from Africa. Like many of our snakes, they're a brown snake.
Now she's a constrictor, right?
She's a constrictor. She squeezes like a bear hug to eat. And she eats meat.
Now my next animal, her name is Pinky. Pinky is a rose-haired tarantula. Now, Pinky got her name because of the beautiful coloring on her head. She's got a beautiful pinkish purplish, kind of the color of a pink rose. You're also going to see on the top of her head, she's got 2 black dots. Those dots are actually 8 eyes. But for all those eyes, she can barely see. So she relies on these hairy legs of hers to sense vibrations. So that means that when we talk, she can actually feel everything we're saying. Now she does have teeth. She's got 2 teeth. They're tucked up underneath her head, so we won't be able to see them. But she will not bite. Her main defense, if she gets scared, is she'll try to run away. If she can't run away, what she'll do then is she'll actually stand up on her hind legs and she'll show her teeth to kind of scare away other animals, to intimidate them. If that still doesn't work, what she'll do is she'll take her back legs and she'll shuffle off the hairs on her abdomen. Those hairs have tiny little hooks on them, and when it gets on you, all it does is itch a little. But when it gets on an animal, it usually gets on the animal's face, and the animal doesn't understand why all of a sudden it itches. So it confuses the animal and gives time for Pinky to get away.
What is sulcata tortoise? Different from turtles. You guys know the difference between a turtle and a tortoise? What is it? Close. What? Yes, turtles can swim. Tortoises can't. They do drink water, yes, like everyone does, but they cannot swim. They're from Africa. Ours is only about 10 years old. They can live to be 100 years old. So, still a baby. Still a big baby. He's looking to be about this big.
You can do it.
And he'll weigh about as much as me. Yeah, they just be very, very big and very, very nice.
That's a sulcata tortoise. They're from Africa.
Please. More time.
Next animal, her name is Bellatrix. We call her B for short. She is a monitor lizard. Monitor lizards are very large lizards, and they are found all over the world. The biggest is the Komodo dragon. If you guys have ever seen a Komodo dragon, they get to be 9 feet. They get to be about 500 pounds. They're huge creatures. Now, Bellatrix is nowhere near that big, but she is a distant relative of the Komodo dragon. Now, really quietly, when you guys feel her skin's gonna feel very rough, which is why she got her name. Her skin is actually so rough that if an animal would try to bite her, it'd take a very long time for that animal to break the skin. So her skin protects her. It's like a suit of armor. Now, she does have very, very sharp claws. Those claws aren't used as protection. What they're used for is they're mainly used to climb. She spends about 90% of her days up in the trees, and that's where she feels the safest. Her defense is actually her tail. So when she comes by, you guys can pet her on the back. You can give her tail a little squeeze. Her tail is actually as hard as a rock. She uses it to whip it. If she were to whip us, it wouldn't do anything because we're much, much larger than her. But if she whips a small animal, she'd actually be able to knock it down. Now, she's a carnivore. What is a carnivore, guys? Shout it out. Meat eater. So she only eats meat in the wild. She'll eat small birds, small lizards, small rodents, anything she can find. But in captivity, she's a little spoiled, and her favorite foods are actually chicken and hot dogs, just like we eat.
It's the Burmese python and albino Burmese python.
Now, Burmese pythons can get up to 25 feet long in the wild. Unfortunately, Ginger is not that big, but she is still an impressive 9 feet and growing.